Thanks for joining me in Karl Marx for part 2. Let's delve a little deeper into his work and legacy, shall we? Are you ready for a little doodle fun? For Marx, history is driven by class struggle and the ongoing conflict between those who control the means of production, aka the bourgeoisie, and those who sell their labor, aka the proletariat or working class. Every major historical era, Marx argued, is shaped by this tension between oppressor and oppressed. Do you agree with him? Let's look a little closer into his argument to find out, shall we? Let's look at two key terms. False consciousness is when workers misunderstand their real interests, believing capitalist values benefit them, and may blame themselves for poverty or think hard work alone will make them rich. Class consciousness is when workers recognize they share common exploitation and develop awareness of their position in the system. This awakening is key. 2. Revolutionary change. Each historical stage, such as slavery, feudalism, and capitalism, contains contradictions that lead to conflict between classes, ending in revolution or collapse. Marx saw the industrial working class, proletariat, as the only class with the potential to overthrow capitalism and establish a classless society. Why? They have nothing to lose but their chains and everything to gain by uniting. Marx's core ideas didn't stop evolving after his death. In the 20th century, a group of thinkers extended Marxist analysis beyond the factory floor, into culture, media, education, and everyday life. Welcome to neo-Marxism. This is often called the cultural turn in Marxism, shifting focus from just economics to how ideology and power shape our beliefs and behavior. Let's look at some key thinkers. Antonio Gramsci, born 1891 till 1937, he introduced the concept of cultural hegemony, which says that the ruling class maintains power not just by force, but by shaping what people see as common sense or normal. Through media, religion, and education, people come to consent to their own domination. Louis Althusser, born 1918 till 1990, he argued that institutions like schools, churches, and media are ideological state apparatuses. These institutions reproduce capitalism not through violence, but through shaping ideology. So people end up internalizing capitalist values and don't even realize it. Theodor Adorno and Max Horkheimer from the Frankfurt School coined the term culture industry, whereby modern media such as TV, radio, and film turns culture into a product. Instead of empowering us, mass culture pacifies us, distracting us from real social issues. It creates false needs and false consciousness. People think they're free, but they're being manipulated. Pierre Bourdieu, born 1930 till 2002, he developed the idea of cultural capital. Cultural capital is the knowledge, tastes, and credentials that benefit and reproduce the elite. And he also coined the term habitus, which is the deeply ingrained habits and dispositions shaped by our social background. For Bourdieu, inequality reproduces itself subtly in schools, art, and even body language. Why does it matter? Neo-Marxism shows us that power isn't just economic, it's cultural and ideological. Even if we think we're making free choices, we may be acting out scripts written by capitalism. This lens helps us question the everyday, from what we wear, to what we watch, to what we believe, and it can help us make intentional choices. So Marx left a big legacy behind. Let's reflect on those enduring questions he taught us to ask. Who owns production? Who benefits? How do we imagine alternatives? All good questions which have inspired further work within labor laws, welfare states, critical theory, and post-colonial studies. Thank you for watching part 2 of Karl Marx. If you enjoyed this video, you should watch my video on Emil Durkheim, which I'll link here. And please, comment and like my video, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more sociology made fun with doodles.